What percentage of total income are buyers looking for? We did 2.7 million last year and our net was 21%. We're all commercial service.
Commercial service, especially if you're just commercial service, it's highly sought after. What we have found with most commercial companies, in order to grow, they always add an element of construction to their business, which takes down the value. Bigger is always better from a buyer's perspective. The bigger size, the more people, the more systems, that always works. But you absolutely have a sellable company, and to be netting 21% is incredible. I look at a lot of tax returns every week. I don't see a lot of companies that are netting 21%. So congratulations, that's fantastic.